Hi there, food lovers! Alright, so let's start. So you're going to get a pan, heat up some canola oil on medium-low heat. Then you're going to saute red onions until it is translucent for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add garlic. You're going to saute the garlic until it is kind of like brown or fragrant. Then you're also going to saute the ginger. Next to that is you're going to add in the chicken. Cook it for about 6 to 7 minutes, or you can also brown the chicken on all sides if you'd prefer. Then you're going to season it with salt and ground black pepper. Then you're just going to give it a good mix. Next is you're going to add fish sauce or patis, coconut milk, and water. Let it cook or let it simmer on medium-low heat. This is what it looks like after about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, just giving it a quick stir. Next to that is you're going to add the string beans or sitaw. For the sitaw, you're going to cook that for exactly 2 minutes covered with the lid. Then, you're going to continue cooking it uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes or until it is crisp. Then, lastly, the chili. For the chili, again, it is optional. So, if you like spicy food, then you can go ahead and add that. And if not, then just leave it out. And basically, you're done. You can turn off the heat or you can adjust the taste. Alright? So, there you have it. Ginataang Manok with Sitaw recipe. Thank you for watching.